Welcome! In this tutorial, let's learn how to create the customer forms for the contents list. Open an application. If you have the admin or editor permission, you can click the Add button to add a new item of the current list. The form you see is called New Form. You can click the existing item in the list. This form is called the View form. Click the Edit button on the top. This is the Edit form, where you can update the content of the list. So, for each content list, it will include 3 types of forms. By default, they are connected with the default layout form, which is auto-generated when you create the list. Yeeflow allows you to create customer list forms and use as the new Edit or View form. To do that, go to the list settings and select Forms in the menu. And click Add button. Fill in the form name and click OK. Click the Edit button to open the List Form Designer. Drag the list fields to the form. Use the layout controls to design the form styles. Add other controls like comments to allow users to add comments on the form. Or add label control to add free text or format the font style or field. Click Submit button to publish this form. Then go to the display settings. Select the form we just created as the view form of this list. And now, if you click one item to open the view form, you will see the form has been changed to the new one. The text of title has been changed to blue color. And you can add comments with the comments control on this form. Well, that's all for now. To learn more about Application Builder, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.